أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
ألهاكم التكاثر.
In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Competition for more gains diverts you from Allah
حتى زرتم المقابر.
until you end up in your graves.
كلا سوف تعلمون.
But no, you will soon come to know.
ثم كلا سوف تعلمون.
Again, no, you will soon come to know.
كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين.
Indeed, if you were to know your fate with certainty, you would have acted differently.
لترون الجحيم.
But you will surely see the hellfire.
ثم لترونها عين اليقين.
Again, you will surely see it with the eye of certainty.
ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
Then, on that day, you will definitely be questioned about your worldly pleasures.